our way to Low Falls again. Look at these old buildings, y'all. I love looking out every time we come this way. That over yonder's a cafe.
One of them got no down the left, ain't it? I've never been in there though. All these years. I'm thinking about going in there one day. They ain't open today. Must close about 4 o'clock. Now I don't know if them buildings originally was there or if they moved some of them buildings there.
A couple of them look like they've been moved there.
It does, but then kind of look like they might have been built there. Some people buy older buildings like that so they don't get destroyed and tore down. Like somebody been cutting grass on that side of the road. It must have been the state. They should have cut the grass on that side of the road over here too. I don't know where that dirt road go. I ain't never been down yet. I always have a weird dream about that dirt road almost every time I dream about coming down here. Yep, almost there. A new generation of pine trees is coming up. Oh, there's some pretty oak trees right there. Pretty house. I'm driving slower than usual so I can take in the sights. I did put some new tires and rims on the boat trailer, so we good on that aspect for now. I got out and checked them earlier and make sure they were still tight. Because I don't go by no torque wrench. My hands and my arms and my body is the torque wrench. Thank God, knock on wood, but I ain't never had a tire come off.
The other day, right in here.
Yeah, that's where they was all parked all the way out to here.
Yep.
Both sides of the road, they was parked. But they had started on leaving by now. I'm glad to see that there's not that many here today.
I reckon it's just because it's the color of that blue.
That is a beautiful house. And the front of the house is facing towards the water.
Mm-hmm. It's a little bait and tackle shop.
That's already closed. No, it's open.
Oh my, there's a good little bit of them out here country.
Good Lord.
On a Thursday, everybody skip town.
What you talking about? When a man can get off work, he gonna get off work. And the only reason I'm coming down here today is because today is my birthday. It's my birthday and I'll fish if I want to. Fish if I want to. Fish if I want. You would fish too if it was yours too. The gators in here now. Surely. Alright, I'm gonna get out and get this boat set up. You gonna help me set it up?
You said you want to do it all by yourself.
No, I said put it in the water by myself.
Oh, okay. Alrighty, we are obviously in the boat and we're going up the river again at Low Falls. And we're up even further than we was the other day. So we're exploring a little more.
I said a tree up there, I want to look like I'm on fire too.
Something splashing in water right there, country. It's good and shady over here.
Yeah, we get the sunshine over there. first time I ever dad gonna come up in the river now.
Yep.
In the boat. Fish off the bank all the time. I ain't never been up this way anyway. They say the outside bend, the outside of the bend is the deepest. That's the inside of the bend over yonder. This is the outside, so this will be the deepest. You want to try that?
I just like a little.
Yeah. I'm gonna go out this way. It's okay. It looks nice up down there.
Going up if you want to.
I want to get on fish, start fishing now. I want to start fishing. I'm riding all night.
That's the one I saw from back yonder.
Which one?
That,
That right there,
yeah.
that's the one I was looking at.
Yeah.
That's why I'm coming over this way. I don't want to disturb the fish over there. Throw in the back of the boat, Ed. We got the rod holders on there, y'all.
How many poles do a fishing man need?
As many as it takes.
That's the question to ask country.
As many as it
There,
takes.
honey.
Is that a creek? There's a little structure out there.
Where?
Right there.
It's pretty down in here. Oh, I see it over yonder.
There's a little creek coming out of there.
Huh.
We
too big to go in this. Yeah.
Yeah, we too big.
We're not in our little boat today, country. Got to remember that.
Yes, I know.
Man, if we was in our little boat, we'd be going up in there. Huh. You gonna turn it around?
Nope. Want to face your nose into the water.
Okay.
I'm trying to think of this way we're gonna.
What you doing up the country?
Well, the other day, last night I was watching Mr. Richard Jean, the fishing machine. He's another YouTuber, very cool dude, good fisherman, good tips and stuff. Not affiliated with him, but go check out his channel. It's Richard Jean, the fishing machine. And the video I was watching was he was using dough bait to catch some catfish. So I said, Mr. Richard Jean could do it. I'm gonna try it too. So I went to Walmart, got some of that magic bait, the catfish bait, America's favorite catfish bait, the King Cat chicken blood. That's the flavor I got on this one. Well, actually, I got a bunch of them. And then I got over here the crawfish and chicken blood. I'm gonna put that one on my other rod, and then I'm gonna put them in the Ziploc bag. So
Country, why you got? I'm about to say why you got the gloves on, country.
so that thing smells rotten as right can get, y'all.
I was about to say, watch your words. I just got one out right there. Country's working on his setup back there.
Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out in the back. 4 out in the back. 2 out in the front. I'm about to put another one out.
As you're in the boat, you can have as many out as you want to.
In South Carolina.
Mm-hmm.
Other states may differ.
And on the bank is what?
4.
4? Yeah, I was thinking it was 4.
And on this one, which is gonna be your second one.
Okay, I'm gonna have somebody speeding on down.
Oh Lord, 2 of them, one coming each direction.
Yeah.
Oh no, they leaving. Y'all going the same direction, away from us. Well, that one's coming toward us. We'll be going away from us in a second.
Wide open too.
Wide open, which is better.
Mm-hmm.
So if they go by slower, it makes a bigger wake. There's a bass boat. That's a bad boat. See when somebody go a long while ago. I watched other YouTubers and one fella said it worked, and then one fella said it ain't worth crap, it ain't don't need to waste your money. You know what? Everybody's water is different, and everybody's luck is different. And some people won't even tell you the truth. But let me show you the hook I'm using. I forgot the name of it. I'll tell you the name of it in a minute. I got some right there.
Yeah, the boat's rocking, y'all.
It's got a little spring on it, and hopefully when the fish bite it, it still get hooked. So all I'm doing is just mushing it on there, and hopefully it don't fall off before a fish get on it. And hopefully fish do get on it. But all I'm gonna do is drop this one. I'm gonna probably wind that one up a little bit. Drop this one right down side the boat here.
It's time to whip out the spray.
While you get bit.
There, I see them out now.
Oh, we don't want to spray. I'm gonna try that thermocell.
I think this might be drifting a little bit. Don't want to get
Which would be all right. Which would be okay. All right. And we got shrimp and some pork rib scraps that we had some pork ribs that we didn't eat because the fact of the matter is they were sour when I bought them from the store and didn't know it. Then I got them on the grill and
cats enjoying themselves.
2 hours in, and then
he unwrapped them and was getting ready to put sauce on them.
I took a big whiff. I always take a big whiff of my ribs when I cook them and make sure they smelling good. Some things were sour. As you smell them, so oh Lord. All right, we got them in the Ziploc bag. All right, we got another bait I want to try. This is called what they call punch bait. Dip bait, whatever you want to call it.
Because you ain't going to know what you caught on what.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I ain't going to be forgot. Oh, yeah. I don't remember. Oh, yeah.
I tell y'all what's aggravating me, all the splashing around here.
All these fish splashing that ain't getting on her hook. But yet she keeps claiming that she want to see me catch a fish, but I keep hearing her talk about she ain't catching a fish. But they literally splashing off. She did get the first bite. No, she got the second bite. I got the first bite. Didn't get no fish. Always take out what you brought in. If you brought trash here, take trash out. Preserve what you can preserve. Wait.
And that is on the wrong side for me to mess with. Next time, really, I'll change it around. Cause my handle needs to be on that side right there, not that side. But it'll be all right.
Well, I'm out of rod holders, ain't I? How'd that happen? Wait a minute now. No, what is you got the little ones? No, you got one there. I got two more rods. One there and one there. And I ain't got to put one there and one there.
So he's got like 12 rod holders on here, but I'm using 3, huh?
I gotta find something to punch this down in there with. I sure ain't using my finger. Might have old glow stick in here.
That was already. Oh.
Yeah, that's the one I did last night. It may have a little bit. See, I ain't never used this stuff here before.
Super sticky. Catfish dip bait.
That's what they say.
Country, you reviewing food, you're just not
I'm reviewing fish food, not human food.
Watch.
I watched a TV commercial, infomercial years ago because we didn't have internet when I was coming up. We watched all our infomercials and stuff like that on the TV. And they said you gotta pull it to the side to get a good pile of that dookie looking stuff on there. Hey, if it is not dookie, hell, I'ma say it. They about to get the real big country. I've been docile for a while. I'm about to get it.
Out the front.
Yeah, I reckon off the front up here somewhere or another. I don't want to get in the anchor line. So I'm gonna take these gloves off because I'm done with the. Ooh, I know I gotta put that somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what the glove look like from the outside after a doctor gives somebody a rectal exam? Tell you about to get the big country. Y'all about to get the real deal, the raw and uncut. If I need some more, I got my.
Alrighty.
All right, we all baited up.
It's the waiting game.
Yep.
That is freaky low now. Angie back in the day would have freaked out.
She'd been hollering and
I would
screaming.
have been hollering and screaming, probably jumped in the water. He's coming again. How low is he going to be this time, country?
A little high.
Yeah, he is. Yep.
Coming up hard.
Man. Well, we got a couple.
You're nervous now.
We got a couple of bites here, but as we've been here long enough, we'll probably go back behind us back there, go back toward the train trestle. That way. Yep.
Down the river.
Yep.
Look at there. Look. Stuff hitting the top of the water out down there. I don't know what. Let me buy.
Yep. He's putting some more dough bait stuff on there. A couple of lines. Mine? Just mine?
I don't know. I might put some lines in.
We had a little encounter with the game warden.
Pleasant.
But, yeah, pleasant. We saw two boats coming in, and I saw one that turned the lights on it,
And it turned
went
towards us.
straight toward us. I said, "Oh, that's the game warden." And next thing you know, he said, "Game warden." But yeah, everything was alright. They just
They checked their license.
the one I said, "Can I show you the phone?" Because I got both our license on the app on my phone. So yeah, and check, make sure we have our 2 life jackets because 2 of us,
And a throwable.
and a throwable.
And I need your
Fire extinguisher, and some kind of noisemaker.
We have an air horn.
And they asked how long we've been out here, and had we got any fish in the boat, and we said no. When he said, you want to check, and they said no. But so y'all got a nice boat there. While Country was going back and forth in the boat to get stuff, the boat was shaking. I was like, and one of them told us, yes, he's getting chilly out here. I said, no, I'm still trying. I'm still kind of nervous. I told him we're used to a smaller boat in the Edisto. We're still getting used to being on the big water. But I'm kind of glad, like I told Country, I'm kind of glad we had that experience because we know what they're going to be checking for.
Next time.
They didn't ask for our ID per se, but like I said, they just take our license on my phone.
But if you got it on your phone, then they know.
Yep. Come on, have a safe night. Thank y'all. Where's you at? Is you at? I don't even know where you at, Country.
Straight out that way. To the left a little bit. That's your right. Right there. Oh, that's a nice little kitty.
Did the game warden bring us good luck?
Must have been.
Do you need the net? I don't even still see you, but... Oh, there he is. Y'all see him splashing, yep.
Trying to slide my line.
What you got, baby? Country? You need your glove? It's right
No,
here.
I still got these on, so that bug just crawled up on that fish. Oh, he was whisker hooked. Right in the whisker, y'all.
I don't want to blind you in the eyeballs. Yep. A nice one.
He's been hooked before. Ripped all his lip off right there.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him loose. Say bye-bye, kitty. Maybe which side I want to let him off on. I let him off on this side. Split out front there, right there. Yeah. Oh, he's right behind the boat.
Can you come up on this? Yeah.
On some shrimp.
You need a net?
No. You're a little fella. I need a glove. I might switch up. Put some of these other ones with some shrimp out there. Two for big country.
You ain't gonna weigh him, is you?
No, they don't even think about weighing him.
Oh, I know he's splashing me all up.
Look like a little channel cat. Come here.
We done.
Flyers.
Where's they at?
Shine the light. Yeah, they all the way up yonder.
We done moved from the river to the lake.
Yep. The edge of it. The edge of Lake Marion. Yeah, that's a channel cat there. That'd be good if I was gonna eat something. That'd be the perfect one to get right
Oh,
there.
he bleeding too.
Well, of course you be bleeding too if you hook out your lip. All right. Go tell your buddies to get on the line. The channel cat love the scrumps must be. And I ain't gonna lie to you. I just got my drink out, just got me a Debbie cake out. As soon as you start doing something.
Yeah.
Now I'm using some Whisker Seeker gear, not sponsored of course, but I'll get this hooked back up and ready to go off camera. But I'm using what they call the Carolina rig basically. I got me a leader, I got me a float, sinker. What size is that? That's a 4 ounce. This is a Penn Pursuit 4. This is a medium heavy rod. So we're gonna get back to it and see if we can't catch some more fish.
That pretty moon on the water. And we're the only ones out here.
On this side.
Yep.